everyone, my name is Tammy and I am part of La Chi Molala. You guys, today is the day where I finally got all of my No Limit concert goods. I know it's been quite some time. The concert was like, what, back in September? But you know, it takes a while for all the merch to get here to the US. And so I actually used two separate vendors. So one being my K-shopper, and I used her thinking that like they wouldn't sell the products on Gmarket. So I went to her and I shopped through her, both Beth and I. And so you'll see some products that Beth purchased as well. And then for the other stuff is from a group order that I was a part of. And special thanks to Raina. She is so easy to work with. I actually met her. I mean, I didn't really meet her, but like she was so nice to talk to. Like I purchased like a bunch of Monsta X cards from her, and then wound up talking to her about like group orders and stuff like that. So she helped me out a lot this time for the No Limit Soul merch as well. So this is gonna be my first time unboxing stuff with her. I mean, like the group orders, but trust me, I've ordered so many times through Raina and she is amazing. So I'm going to leave the information for you guys so that you guys could join her group order in the future. I would love to say it, but I can't pronounce it. So I'm going to put it on the screen so you guys could find her on Twitter and you know, and contact her, and because she's been so amazing to work with and I love her to pieces. All right, you guys, so what we're gonna do, oh, and another thing, I also bought some custom made slogans. They are actually gonna be given away to a couple of my friends. Obviously one of them is Beth's, so she doesn't know that, but you guys might be the first one to see it. So but yeah, anyways, and that is from hold on one second, you guys, I can't memorize everybody's store name, and this is from K-pop goods store. So this custom made banner. So what and it was also the rush hour era. They look so good. So one is Kihyun's. You would think it would be mine, but it is not. One is Kihyun, and then the other one is Chungkyun. Okay, but enough talking for me. Let's start unboxing stuff. Yeah. All right. So this is from my K-shopper. Of course, this box is a lot bigger, so that means the EMS was about like a hefty price to get here, you know, with the weight and stuff like that. So I ordered quite a few things from her. And why do I always struggle opening the boxes? I don't understand, but yeah. Here we go. I honestly, this is really bad, you guys. Like I don't remember what I bought, and so your guess is as good as mine right now. Okay, so. Okay, I'm trying to be as gentle as possible here so I don't rip anything. Dun, dun, dun. Here we go. As you can tell, it's nicely packaged in here. So thank you, my K-shopper. Right. So I'm gonna put this all on the floor right now. So it feels like Christmas morning, even though I'm the one that bought the stuff. Okay. So I'm gonna put this to the side. So this is all the stuff. So Beth bought a picket, so I want to show you guys what the picket looks like. Whoa. Sorry, guys. This has... I have to pull it off screen for a second because of privacy issues. So, which means address. Not that I don't trust you guys or anything, but you know. Alright. Hey. What's happening right now? Okay. So this is a cute little thing. She said thank you. Beth is gonna love this, of course. So I'm gonna. Oh, look at that, Voyager. Oh, that's so nice of her. Thank you for the extra goodies. I did an unboxing on this before, you guys. So if you want to see this, I'm pretty sure this is the version that Beth did not get. So thank you so much, my K-shopper, for the extra goodie. It's very sweet of you. Oh my gosh, thank you so much for this as well. Wow. Okay, so Kiki. Okay, let's look at this really quickly. Wow. Wow, thank you so much. I was not expecting this at all. Wow. Okay. Not a shocker. I also have this as well. So this will go straight to Beth. Oh, this is like a huge magazine, by the way, you guys. Like, this is like, if you could see how many inches this is, it's 16 inches right here vertically. Okay, anyways, yeah. So let's look at Kiki's picture. I bought this, but I never looked inside of this. So, wow. Okay, how funny. I actually used this today. Look at Keehan. He is so handsome. Wow. Ugh. Oh my gosh. Look at this man. Look at this man. Woo. So handsome. Stop it. Oh my gosh. Nah. Wow. Look at this man. Wow. Okay. I was like, these guys look familiar. I feel like I should know these guys, right? Why do I feel like I should know these guys? But anyways, yeah. All right, let's look at Kiki real fast. It's just look at his. Oh, he's so soft. He's so. Oh my god. Ah. These got to be like my favorite pictures of him. Oh my goodness. Oh, he's so handsome. So cute. All right. Anyways, so that is the Star One magazine. This was actually released June 2020. This is righty. And then this is I.M.'s Picket. This is what Beth ordered. Look how handsome he is. This is humongous. If you look at the top left, look how big it is. So freaking big. But this actually is manufactured much better than mine because mine had like little dents in them. So I'm glad that that didn't happen to her. So here's I.M.'s really handsome face. Ta-da! Okay, cool. All right. Okay, so that was that. So those were actually a couple freebies from my K shopper, and thank you so much for that. I appreciate it. All right. And so these are the no limit stuff that I purchased for myself. And so random. I got this. I don't know why I did, but I did. I actually do like a lot of packaging as well. So not a shocker there. All right, so this is Mignac's Floun. I'm gonna say Floun. And I'm gonna put this to the side really quickly. Let's just look at the no limit stuff really fast. And then we'll go to that. All right. So I purchased the postcards, photo card set, and then the no limit, of course. So this is really interesting. I bought packaging tape, and this says it is the box tape plus circle photo cards set. And so manufacturing date September 2022. So let's see. I do ship a lot of stuff out. You know. So this will be fun to use. Alright. So ta-da! No limit, handle with care. And it has all their names on here. Kind of cool, right? And then look at that. Ta-da! Chunkyun! Oh, he looks great. There you go. There's that circular photo card of him. Da-da-da. Okay. So then, that's that with the box tape. Let's leave I.am out, right? Let's leave him out so we can see his gorgeous face. I'm gonna stuff this back in here. All right, let's look at the photo cards together. Okay, so here are the photo cards, or actually postcards. Let's look at the postcards. So this is a postcard set, and manufacturing date September 2022. So this is all the fun, good stuff right here, all the information right here. The size is 142 by 210 millimeters. So just for you guys to gauge. And each set comes with 9. So there's probably some group photos in here. Neat. Woo! Look at Minyak, that sassy face. All right. Oh, I always love like looking at these stuff. Oh, wow! And the quality of the paper is like really thick. Oh my goodness! Look at Minyak. Oof, oof. Oh my gosh! I was like, hold on. I'm so sorry, Kiki. Wow. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my goodness. That's all I gotta say right now. Oh my gosh. Ugh. He looks so good. Ugh, young one. Handsome, all these guys. Ridiculously handsome. Juwon. Oh, and the back is this, if you guys are wondering. I mean, is this really a postcard set? I feel like this is like should be framed. Oh, look at Chunkyun. He looks so good. Wow, wowzers. Unit photos. Wow. I love how like all of their like blazers are all like completely different too. Ugh, look at these men. Oh my gosh, they look so good. They're like, no, I'm running out of space right here. Okay. Oh, look at Hyungwon and Juwon. They look so good. Ah! Oh my gosh, these guys. What? What? Ugh. So handsome. Ah, I don't want to block any of their faces. Okay, so here. How about I do this? Ta-da! That is the postcard set, you guys. Look. Oh my gosh. The tier is so good too. My gosh. Wow. I am like, ugh. And this is really interesting though, because this has like everything's like very deep red except for this one. This has a little pink to it. Can you guys see that? Very interesting. I don't know if that's a printing issue or whatnot. I don't know. It doesn't matter. Look at them. They're so handsome. All right, so that is the postcard set. So let's move on to the. Dun, 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 dun. Let's move on to the photo card set. I love collecting photo cards. They're so much fun. I feel like I spend way too much on photo cards, but I cannot help it because they are so handsome and I love supporting our boys. So that is that. I'm gonna remove Chunkyun from here as much as I want to see him and clear some space. Sorry, you guys. This is like just me and my weird personality. I was like, I have to put everything back to where it was. I know, so ridiculous. Okay, so. Okay. Now we are going to move on to the photo cards. So the photo card set is in this cute little box. Eight each, one set. All the official stuff. Okay, da 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 da. Right, so open it from the top, I think. Yeah, let's do it like that. Ta-da! Okay, you guys. Woo! Oh, look at Minyak. So handsome. So handsome. Ah! Ugh, so adorable. Oh, look at this gentle smile. I love it. I love his choker. I love Kiki's choker too. Or his necklace. Look at Juwon. I love his hair in here, you guys. So cute. I am. Ugh. Adorable. Sorry, I'm going to shift this over because I'm not doing Minyak any justice right now by blocking part of his face at the top left. If you're watching this, Minyak, I am so sorry. But I'm sure you're not because our channel is very small. So anyways, also see that there's that pink thing again, like that pink tint. Oh, this is so cute. I love this unit photo. I love it so much. Ah! This is so cute. I don't know why this is so adorable. Why is he so adorable? Why are they both so adorable? Look, this is such a great picture. I love it. Oh, all we need is just Shonu back. This is such a great picture. I love it. Oh, look at this. So cute. Ah, such a great purchase. I love this so much. Oh my goodness. Ugh, they're also gorged. Like, stop. Well, don't stop, but you know. Ugh, my glasses. Woo! Alright. Okay. Oh, if you want to see the back. Oh, this is interesting. Hold on. How can I miss this? Alright, so here you guys go. Minyak. Happy face, of course. Kiki. Showing you guys all again. This is all the writing. Kyungwon. Juhan. Oh, fancy. I love his writing. Chungkyun. Oh. So cute. So Minya. And then this all say no limit. Ta-da! So cute though. I love all their writing like this. Alright, you guys. So we are going to move on to the, how do you pronounce that? Floun? 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 I'm just gonna go with Floun. It's Floun dot. So that is the brand that is now Minyak is the ambassador for. And so I like vegan stuff. Ah, the struggle's real. Wow. Okay. And so came with two. One is going to Beth, Holy Basil Cool Vegan Lip Balm. And I will be using this, of course. I feel like I always lose all my chapsticks. But I won't lose this one. So let's go. Holy Basil Cool Vegan Lip Balm. Dun, 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 dun. It's just like your typical lip balm. Cool. I'm like, I'm gonna put it on screen right now. Ta-da. Watch, my lipstick is all like smeared on top. Get live, you guys. Okay. Interesting. Okay, now my lipstick is probably all smudged up. All right, so I gotta put this onto the side so Beth doesn't get the one I use. But the thing that I wanted most was actually Minyak's photo cards. And he is truly amazing, of course. Look at the saucy face right here. I love him in his glasses. Ah, cute writing, of course. So adorable, this man. I just really got it for this one. Surprise, surprise, shocker. Okay, you guys. So, that is that. And again, I got this from My K Shopper. So thank you so much, My K Shopper. She shipped everything out very quickly. And yeah, if you ever need anything from South Korea, she's a great person to talk to. And she is very, very sweet, very kind, very nice. And so send her a tweet. Ask her for help if you find something that you want to get in South Korea. All right, so then we are going to move on to the slogans really quickly because I know I'm going to take some time with Reina's package. So we are going to go a little bit backwards here. I am just trying to be a little bit gentle right here. Again, this is on Etsy. These are gifts that I'm going to send out. One of them's that. I'm going to see her actually at the SF9 concert. And that's going to be taking place in LA. December, I forgot. It's on a Saturday. I want to say December 10th or 11th or something like that. But yeah, this person packaged it really well. I'm just so afraid of tearing the fabric. Yeah, I got this for Beth and a friend. And oh, okay, cool. I was like, I see the, I gotta be so gentle with this. Yeah, this is, yeah, the struggle is real, you guys. You would think I'd be a pro at opening stuff right now. I am not. Okay, so let me get you the name of the store from Etsy again. This was shipped out very quickly, and this is from K-Pop Good Store. And they have a bunch of like slogans that you could purchase from. Oh my. Oh my. Okay, so here we go, you guys. Here we go. Oh, look at Kiki. Wow. Okay, this was a freebie because I don't remember seeing this at all when I purchased. So let's look at this really quickly. Oh, look at that. Okay, cool. So, I just want to make sure that I got everything. So here's this slogan from the rush hour era. Ta-da! Kihyun. So this is if you could see on the table right now. I kind of like having this, so it kind of gives you like a guidance of how big this banner is. So where do you guys go? So this is about like 23 and a half inches. 23 inches? The 23 inches horizontally. And well, width-wise, if you really want to know, it would be so 8 by 23. 8 by 23. But look how adorable he is. Wow. So handsome. Ugh. Ooh. I love Kiki in orange hair. Not many guys could pull it off really well, but I think he can. But also, am I biased a little bit? Yeah, because he's my ult. So you would think this is for me, but it is not. Surprise, surprise. But here we go. Have to be very gentle with this. Okay. So that is that. I was like, how do I wrap this like nicely? Okay, here you go. And it comes with this little bag right here, which is cool. I love how it's folded, like you could see his face. Alright, so I'm gently gonna put this back in. I never shopped at the store before, so I will definitely shop at her store again because she said it would be about a month, but it wasn't. It was just like a couple of days. It was already in stock. So, all right. So then, this is Chunkyun. I know Beth would melt over this. She loves this pose of him. So, again, Rush Hour era means like a lot to us because it was our first comeback with them. I was like, oh, and here's obviously Chunky right here. Very nice and simple in the back. And so Rush Hour era means a lot to us. Like we'll always remember it, cherish it, you know, all that stuff. So I'm just, yeah. So she will definitely love this for sure. I mean, who wouldn't? Look at Chunky's face. Okay, and then, dun, 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 dun. What do we have here? Look how soft he is. She's gonna die. Oh my gosh, look at how handsome he is. Super handsome, right? Okay, so these arrived safely, so I'm happy with it. There's no weird blemishes or damages or whatever, whatnot. Sorry, you guys. This is my type A thing. It's gonna drive me crazy. Okay, so I was like, I think I did that same way with nope, I did not. I call myself a semi-type A. Some weird behavior that I have. It's so weird. Don't laugh at me. Okay, so, well, you can. I don't care. And there we go. I'm probably once I give that to her, I'm just gonna probably tuck this in like here. So it's like a little surprise. You know what I mean? Sometimes everything's all about packaging. So this is super cool. I love this slogan, fabric slogan banner. Very high quality. I love how it's printed. It's super soft. So I'm gonna do the same with Kiki right here. Just want to make sure that is in there. Alrighty. I was like, oh, I hope it's in. Yeah. So that is that. So you can check out the Etsy shop on there. I actually was not looking for slogans and banners. I was looking for something on there, and that turned up, and I was like, oh, this would make a great gift. All right, you guys, this is a moment that I've been waiting for a while. Okay, so you guys are like totally gonna laugh at me. So if you guys been following my unboxings, I know they could be quite long, and if you watched every single minute, thank you, I appreciate you. And I appreciate you so much. Because I have a tendency to babble, obviously, and fight with all the boxes that I am opening right now. So this is from a group order with Reina, and she is such a delight. I love purchasing stuff from her, and she's just like a really, really nice person. I love supporting people who are just really sweet, understanding, and that's just who she is. And then, like, she's very good at communication too. She sends emails out. I follow her on Twitter, and so she's great. Okay, so I had no idea. You guys aren't gonna believe me. So I had already accidentally ordered Kihyun's like picket, right? Well, I am really geriatric because I honestly did not remember ordering Kyungman's picket, but I did. So yeah, so if he's not my bias, I don't know who is. Oh, I got, look how neatly packaged this is. Thank you so much, Reina. I appreciate you. So look at Wani's. Ugh. Boom. Look at this man's face. Oh my gosh, he is so handsome. Ugh, this man. This man is so handsome. So yeah, now we got an IM picket, and we got a Hyungwon picket, and here we go. Oh my gosh. Yeah. So here we are. This arrived really great. And I guess it's just like the one, just Kihyun's that like that had that dent in there, which made me so sad. But yeah, you guys will be seeing me wave this around during our reaction videos. I mean, let's be real. Ugh. Okay. See, slight dent in here. These are just very, yes, you gotta treat them with care, right? So, but anyways, yeah, so super stoked about Hyungwon right here. So I'm gonna leave him out right here. Why not? So then post-it has my name on here. So it's Tammy. Oh. No. Okay, so I guess I'll be opening these packages with you guys. All right, so I love this. Oh, so cute. Thank you, Reina. No. Okay, so this is, okay, find her here, you guys. She is amazing. Hold on, focus, camera, focus. I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm so terrible with that stuff. You guys already know if you watch our reaction videos, I am terrible at names. But yeah, you can find her here on Mercari or whatchamacallit's Twitter. So yeah, there you go. cute thank you card. I appreciate you. And of course, look at this gorgeous pin that she gifted me. Ugh, young one, please. Fantastic. Thank you. All right. I don't know how much luck I have with this. But we shall go through these photo cards together. Okay, so I'm a dum-dum. And so I thought that it was just only one card. I didn't know it was a pack of 5. And if you guys saw the part 1 of my no limit opening of these photo cards, then you guys know, right? So you guys, I gotta make sure. I'm sure some of you guys are like, please don't do that to the photo card. Okay, so ooh, Minya, Yuki. Oh gosh, what? Kyungwon, Chungkyun. Ooh, look at Kiki on here. Stop. All right, let's keep going. Ooh, I don't have this of Chungkyun yet. Wow. Chungkyun again. Rap line's coming for me, you guys. Ooh. Oh my gosh. I have not had, yeah, I did not pull Kiki on this one either. Hyungwon. Oh my gosh, look at these men. All right. These are looking good so far, not gonna lie. Okay, another Chungkyun right here. Okay. Another Hyungwon. I don't think this is, okay, this is amazing. More Kiki. Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is like a Kiki bag or something. This is meant for me. He can't keep. Wow. All right. I'm so happy with that package right now. Okay, I have one more to go. One more. Okay. Well, hello, Juhan. Kiki again. Whoop. Kiki again. Chungkyun. And there you go. Ta-da! So this is, I think that is it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me on this no limit / Floun / random stuff that I wanted to unbox for quite some time now. I'm so happy with this. Oh my gosh, I don't have these Kiki cards. I don't think for sure. I know that I don't. But anyways, thank you so much for joining me on this amazing unboxing. Be sure to follow my K-Shopper, Reina's account, and the K-pop good store that's in Vegas. I love how everything was all packaged nicely. This group order was amazing with Reina, so I really, really, really appreciate her. And then my K-Shopper too, like everything was nicely packaged as you guys could tell. So anyways, thank you so much for joining me and listening to my random talking this whole entire time. Really appreciate that. And my name is Tammy, and I am part of Molala. And I will see you guys next unboxing or next time. Annyeong!